Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a World Coin Hunt, and this coin hunt has been designated World Coin Hunt 105. We start off with a coin from Rhodesia. On the obverse we have the Queen plus the name of the country. On the back we have the coat of arms of Rhodesia, the year and the value. The year is 1964. Rhodesia no longer exists as a country. It's now been renamed, I believe it's Zimbabwe. The mintage of this coin is 15,550,000. Well, excuse me. Next, we have two coins from Taiwan. Let's get them the right way up. The man's portrait on the front is one of the is Chiang Kai. It's Chiang Kai-shek. Chiang Kai. That's it. Chiang Kai-shek. Start again. Is Chiang Kai-shek. There are two of them here. They're known as new dollars or one yo. The dates are 1987 and 1981. For 1981 we have a mintage of 1,080,000,000, and for 1987 we have 110 million. Next we have a coin with Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth on. You also have the country and the year on this side of the coin. The country is New Zealand, the year is 1982. On the rear of the coin we have the value of 2 cents. We also have some flowers. Now these flowers are known as Kowali flowers, and that's K-O-W-H-A-I, I believe it is. The mintage for this coin is 50 million. It's either H, it's either AI or IAL. My my pronunciation and my writing's so awful that I can't make out what I put down. On here we have 3 1-baht coins from Thailand. The 1991, 2007 and 1987. The feature on the obverse, the portrait is Rama the Ninth. On the back we have a monastery in Bangkok. I think this is a Phwe Week temple. The 1987 coin has a mintage of 329,271,000. The 1991 coin has a mintage of 329,946,380. And the 2007 coin has a mintage of 614,866,877. The next coin is from Panama. It shows a gentleman called Vaco Ninis Balboa. It's from 1993. On the front here you have, so this is the reverse, the portrait of Mave. On the front you have the, let's get this the right way up. Yes, there we go, that's the right way up. You have the coat of arms and the year. The mintage for this 1993 coin is 4 million coins. Next one is a 1 cent from Malta. On the front, on the obverse, we have the coat of arms and the year being 1995. We have a 1 cent coin. Let's make sure that's the right way round. There we go. We have a 1 cent coin that shows a weasel and the value. This 1995 coin does not have a mintage as it is a highly minted and common mintage coin. Next one we have is a 5 cent or 5 cents coin from Malta, from Singapore. It's from the year 2014. It has the year and the coat of arms, and you have the fruit salad plant on the back, fruit salad leaves on the back, along with the valuation. There's no mintage for this coin as it's so highly minted. We also have another one from Singapore, another 5 cent. This one's got a slightly different back. In fact, it doesn't have the fruit salad leaves, but it has the building which is known as the Esplanade Theatre building. There's no mintage for this coin either. Next one we have a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen, plus the year of 1975, and the country of the Isle of Man. The country is the Isle of Man, of which is written on the reverse, and the design is a Celtic cross. This 1975 coin has a mintage of just 855,000. Right, next coin is a 50 centavos from Portugal. You have the value and the coat of arms on the back here, on the reverse here. This is a 1968 coin, and on the front you have a picture of the lady, which is the allegory of the Republic of Portugal. So this 1968 coin has a mintage of 11,448,000. The next coin is from Belgium. Let's get it the right way around. You have a brown-crowned monogram of Albert I. It's a 1922 coin. It is Holt. It has French text, and the reverse gives you the value next to the hole of 5 cent, says, and a leaf stem, which is an olive sprig. The mintage for this coin is 12,640,000. And there is the next coin. This coin is from Bahamas. It's a 5 cent coin from the year 2000. You have the coat of arms, the country name and the year on this side. Then on the reverse you have the value plus a pineapple. Now this coin does not have a mintage figure, it's a common minted coin. The next coin is from India, from 1946, just after the Second World War. It is a 1 anna coin, which is a scalloped coin with the King George VI crowned portrait on it. On the reverse it says it's a 1 anna, and you have the value, the year and the country on the reverse side. Now I am not sure which mint it is. I can't quite make out whether it was Calcutta or Mumbai. If it's Calcutta, the mintage is 100,820,000. If it's Mumbai, it's 82,052,000. We have here a Japanese 1 yen, aluminium coin from 1984. You have the value on this side, which is the obverse, and then on the reverse you have a bamboo shoot. This 1984 coin has a mintage of 981,850,000. This coin is from Ghana. It's a 10 pesewas, that's P-E-S-E-W-A-S, from 2007. On this side you have the coat of arms of the country, the year and the country name. On the reverse you have the value on the bottom of the coin, and then you have a book, star and pen as a design. There is no mintage figures for this coin. This one is an Indonesian coin. It has the coat of arms of the country, the year and the country name. On the reverse is a Komodo dragon with the value of 50 rupiah. There is no mintage for this coin. And the penultimate coin is from Argentina. It is 5 centavos from 2004. On this side you have the coat of arms, the sun from Argentina, and you have the country name. On the reverse you have the value and the year. This 2004 coin has a mintage of 30 million. Finally, this last one is I think it's either 2 baht or 5 baht, I'm not sure. There is no, I haven't quite been able to find out about this coin, so what I'm going to do with this one, because it seems to have been one that I missed, what I will do with it is I will put it into another bag and do some research. Right, that ends this coin hunt. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, would you please give me a thumbs up, a like, and also would you consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already done so. So I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes and militaria and the odd collectible that I do. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you'll enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you'll have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them from at the price that you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da!